Good afternoon. It's Friday. I don't even know the date. It's Friday. That's all I'm going to say. It's 3:15. And I just wanted to get on here and talk to you about Winter Storm Fern. I didn't even know that they named this storm, but that's what it's called, Fern. Okay? Um, I really hope anybody that's watching is ready. All right? I got some notes on this that I didn't know about until I did some research. It says more than half of the U.S., 172 million, are under a warning. Okay? 12 to 18 inches of snow, severe ice accumulation. Okay, that's probably more the south. This is Ohio. All right. Wind chills 50 below Fahrenheit. All right, this is serious, okay? And I checked with stores and stuff. We have Walmart and Giant Eagle, Kroger's and stuff like that. People are panic buying as we speak. And I really hope you guys are ready. I don't know if you guys are preppers or not. I know maybe some of you are. But the milk, eggs, water, bread, hamburger, bacon at Kroger's and Aldi are running out of stock. Okay? So if you're not prepped right now, there's still some things that you can do. Okay? You check your inventory and see what you got and try to think of things that you can make, okay? You can make it before the storm hits, or go to smaller stores. We have like a little store that carries a lot of items in one of our neighborhoods. You could go there, like little store, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Dollar Store. I don't know. There's so many names for those dollar stores. They have food too. Okay? You can go there and get the things that you need. Okay, you may even need like paper plates and paper forks and stuff like that. Always have that kind of stuff on hand so you don't have to worry about doing dishes. Because if you got no electric, that's the last thing you're going to want to do is dishes in cold water, right? I don't know. That's just one thing, less thing that you have to worry about. There's long lines at Costco. They're running out of shovels, salt, generators, and faucet covers. I mean, a lot of this stuff that we should already have. It's January, right? So there's that. Okay, so this is what, let's see, larger chains of stores are running out, like Kroger's and Walmart. So like I said, try smaller stores that are in your vicinity, because you got Friday night, Saturday morning, and wherever you are is, I don't know what time your storm is going to start, okay? And I don't know if I said it's 2,300 miles wide. 2,300 miles. It was like, I forget what they said it was, but now it's 2,300 miles. All right, so water. You should always have water somewhere. At least 3 days worth of water. They said that you could use your sink or your bathtub, okay? Run your dishwasher before your storm comes. Get your dishes clean, get them out of the dishwasher, and get them in your cupboards. Get those done. Do your laundry. Get your laundry washed. There's so many reasons why you should do your dishes and get your laundry done, okay? There lots of reasons, okay? And someday I will do a prepper video and tell you how I prep. And like I said, I am not some off-grid person that always has everything. I don't. But I do the best I can, okay? Always have a manual can opener. You lose electric, you can still open a can of raviolis, a can of soup, and SpaghettiOs, right? That's some stuff you need to prep. Soups, raviolis, SpaghettiOs, peanut butter and jelly. You should always have bread. I don't know what. Okay, just do that. Batteries. Always have batteries on hand. If you have 5 batteries left in your pack, go buy a pack of batteries. Check everything that is run on batteries. Either get new batteries for that, especially like a radio, flashlights. Put batteries in there because you're going to need a radio, okay, if the electric goes out. Charge anything that requires charging. All right, guys? So your phone, if you have flashlights that can be charged, charge this stuff. Your power banks, plug them in before the storm hits. Make sure they're fully charged. Propane tanks, if you use them for heat, you know, fill them up. Fill those propane tanks up. If you can use your grill, you can use your grill to cook, okay? But when temperatures get so low, your propane tank is going to have a hard time, okay? I'm just going to let you know that. Unless you put the propane tank in the garage or something and then take it out to the grill. Don't bring your grill in the house. Don't do that. Don't do that, okay? Fill up your car, okay? Make sure you have a full tank of gas, okay? Just in case you have no heat because the electric went out and you can't, you know, solar power, generate power, your house, your apartment. You can get in your car and go to someone, your friend or your family's house, and you can go to their house. You don't want to be out of gas. You don't want to run out of gas. Come on. Okay, in this weather. All right. Even if it takes you an hour to get there because of the roads, take your time. Okay. All right. So it says, get your generator ready. Medications. Okay. Get your medications filled. You still have time. Okay. Don't run out of medicine. Don't do that. Okay. Get your lights. Okay. Which your lights would be your flashlights, your candles, matches, your lighters, whatever. Put them on the kitchen table. Have them ready. I have a candle in every room of my house. So that when the lights go out, I just go around to every room. Even the bathroom, I have a candle in there. And I just light everything. It looks like my lights are on. Okay? All right. Protect your pipes from freezing. Whatever that is, do that. Okay? And they say to drip your, you know, have your faucets drip and open your cupboard, open that, and let the heat in from your house. If you still have electric. You know, just keep that open during the night and just trickle the hot water on your faucet and in your bathroom. And open that cupboard too. I used to have to do that because I used to live in the country. I don't know why. I just had to. Bring wood in. If you have a fireplace, a buck stove, bring your wood in so you don't have to go out in 12-inch snow and go get wood. It should be that. If you have a fireplace or a buck stove and you use that for heat, you already have that. Okay? Check in on your mother, your father, any neighbor that is old. Make sure they got everything they need, okay? They can't get cold. All right, get your coffee. Make sure that those people are well taken care of and they're okay, okay? Make sure that their family's watching them too if they have family. All right, so let's see, that's it. I think that's it, you guys. This is crazy. This is a big storm. It's humongous. And I want to say, when you do go to the store, after this is over and everything's fine, okay, oh, I just heard another storm's coming within a couple weeks. I don't know if it's next week, but another storm's coming as well. I listened to Ryan Hall, y'all, or Ryan Hall, y'all. I don't know if you guys ever heard of him. Ryan Hall, y'all. and he is a good person to listen to on YouTube for weather. Even storms in the summer, and especially this storm now, he's going to go live here. And he said this storm's already starting in Texas. Okay, it's already starting. So you have time to get things that you can prepare, as in food, water. You know, if you can't afford water, fill up anything you have in the house of water that you use for 30 days. 30 days. That's what you should be doing in the first place. 30 days of food and water, but we'll get into that. 3 days. You can fill up this with water. Anything. Jars. I got canning jars. Any kind of jars, okay? Anything that you could fill up with water. Do it now. Do it before the storm comes. Trying to think what else. I already told you about your phones. Make sure your phones are charged up. So, oh, I know what I was saying. Whenever you go to the store, you know, and just like on a regular basis, you go to the store, and let's say you buy something, buy 2 of it. 2 of whatever you buy. Like, let's say I'm going to buy some macaroni and cheese. So you buy macaroni and cheese. Buy 2. Because 1 is none, 2 is 1. They always say buy 3, but I always buy 2. Every time I go to the store, I buy a can of green beans, I'll buy an extra can. A can of soup, I buy an extra can. So I always have that. Now I can my food when I grow it in my garden, and I have canned green beans, and I have canned strawberry jam. I have canned meat down there too in my pantry, but I have backups for backups. Always have backups for backups. So if you're a canner, always have, you know, go to the store, buy a couple cans of this, couple cans of that, couple cans of spaghetti sauce, sloppy Joe cans, whatever, you know, whatever that you need to survive, okay? I buy, instead of 1 bag of flour, I buy 2. 1 bag of sugar, I buy 2. I didn't have to go to the store, but I did do a Walmart delivery, and I had some milk and some bread brought in, and some comfort food. Just so that we have, I know it's terrible, it's probably not good for you. Comfort food to calm us down and make us cozy while we're watching movies this weekend. Okay? That's what we did. So you guys take care. Be careful. You know, and write this stuff down. Fill up your car, please. And don't be scared. Be prepared. All right? And I'll catch you on the next one.